Hey everybody, welcome to Jamie Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing Kinder's Seasoning Buttery Steakhouse. It's one of my favorite seasonings. I like to put it on chicken. You can put it on some baked potatoes. But today we are going to add a little bit of oil. Got my chicken already cleaned and ready to go. Once this oil gets warmed up, we'll go ahead and season the chicken and then start cooking. Now that we got that oil warmed up, we're gonna go ahead and take out some chicken. Got the seasoning ready to go. I like to use a generous amount. Just get it all over there. And then lay it seasoning side down in the hot oil. Not quite sizzling yet. Get the next one going here. Just load it up. It's good. Oh my god, it smells so good. And then cover the other side. And we're good to go. We're gonna let that sizzle for a few minutes and we'll check back. All right, now we got that oil nice and hot. I keep this on about medium heat for the stove. I preheated the oven to 375 and give it a little shimmy shake to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom because I hate that. All right, we'll check back in a minute. While we're waiting, let's get ourselves a drink. I like Fireball. And you can't drink Fireball without toast. Between the lips and over the gums, look out stomach, here it comes. Oh yeah, good stuff. After a few minutes, you'll see it starts to get nice and brown. Some of the seasoning that fell off there. Just a little brown on the outside, just a nice golden flavor. We're just about ready to flip it. Using the Kinder's Seasoning Buttery Steakhouse. One of my other favorites is the Kinder's Garlic and Herb with Butter and Sea Salt Rub. It is quite tasty. I'll put the links for both of these in the comments or the description. Just a great flavor for both of these. Perfect for chicken. Really, you can put it on anywhere. We're going to go ahead and flip these. Oh yeah, that's a nice golden brown there. That's just about perfect. So now we're gonna take these, put it in the oven that's already preheated. And we're gonna be all set very soon. Set that timer for about 20 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken. Anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes should do it. I think 6 ounces is probably about 18 minutes on 375 and you should be good to go. All right, it's been 18 minutes. We're gonna take this out of the oven. Oh yeah, that looks like it's done. Normally I temp it to make sure it's 165 degrees internally, but I think we're good. Nice and golden brown, good flavor, good color. It's gonna be tasty. So we're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. It's always a good thing to do with your proteins. Let it rest. And be back in a minute. So funny story, I couldn't find this stuff anywhere. I was actually vacationing in Michigan and I found some at a Sam's Club. So I grabbed a canister of it and I was coming back through security on my flight back. I had put it in my luggage and they had to have me open it up and they tested it, and I guess I'm not the only one that thought it was bomb. All right, the chicken has rested for several minutes. We're gonna go ahead and cut off a piece. Yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, it's cooked. Great flavoring. I love it. So good. Don't forget Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning. Get it on Amazon. Good stuff. Thanks for watching.